Hello friends, so we have a question on geometry. In the following diagram there is a sector ABC. So ABC is a sector of a circle whose center is lying at A. The angle BAC is given to us as 2 alpha, and alpha is lying between 0 to pi by 2, and OEA angle is pi by 2. So this angle is 90 degree. Now a circle with radius center O is another circle is drawn in a way that this AC and AB lines are tangent at E and D. Now we have to find the area of this quadrilateral ADOE. So let us again draw this diagram. This is the sector we are given of a larger circle. This point is A. Another circle is drawn which is tangent to these 3 points E, D, and say this is M. This angle is given to us as 2 alpha, and this point is O. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree because AC and AB are tangents, therefore these angles will be 90 degree, and this point is O. Now you can see in this quadrilateral ODAE, if I join this O with A, it will be forming two triangles. So this area will be area of triangle OAE plus area of the triangle OAD. Now to find the area of the triangle OAE, you know, if this angle is 2 alpha, these two triangles will be congruent triangles. You can see this is the radius is same, this is 90 degree, and you also know that from A there are two tangents D and E, and the length of these two tangents will be same. So these two triangles will be congruent triangles. So this is alpha and this is also alpha. So using trigonometry we can see tan alpha will be equals to OE divided by EA. So the length of AE or EA will be OE divided by tan alpha. OE is nothing but the radius of this smaller circle, so this will be R divided by tan alpha. In the same way, EA will also be equals to AD equals to R by tan alpha. So the area of the triangle OA will be half base is AE, which is R by tan alpha, into OE, which is radius. Similarly, the area of the triangle OAD will also be same. So this comes out to be R square by tan alpha into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So this area comes out to be R square by tan alpha. This is the area of the quadrilateral ODAE. Now let us move on to the B part. In the B part we have to find the DOE in terms of alpha. Now you know this DOE, the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral OADE will be 2 pi, or 360 degree. Now these angles will be the angle OEA, which is pi by 2, plus angle EAD, which is 2 alpha, then angle ADE, which is pi by 2, plus angle DOE. The sum will be equals to 2 pi. So DOE can be identified as 2 pi minus 2 alpha, or pi minus 2 alpha. So angle DOE will be equals to pi minus 2 alpha. Now in the second part, we have to find the expression for the area R. What is the area R? R is this shaded portion. Now you have already identified the area of this quadrilateral. So if you subtract this sector's area from the quadrilateral, you will get the R area. So this R area will be equals to the area of quadrilateral OADE minus the area of sector OED, the sector OED. Now this area was R square by 10 alpha minus area of sector, you know, is the formula is half R square theta. So we know this is half, radius is R square, and this theta you have identified in the previous part, which is pi minus 2 alpha. So this will be R square by 10 alpha minus pi R square by 2 plus R square alpha. So this is the area of the shaded portion. Now in the C part, we have to find the value of alpha, for which this R is equals to the area is equals to the area of the circle of center O and radius R. So in the C part, we have to equate this area R square by 10 alpha minus pi R square by 2 plus R square by alpha with the area of the circle with radius R, which will be pi R square. So the R square will be cancelled. This will be 1 by 10 alpha minus pi by 2 plus alpha equals to pi. So this will be alpha plus 1 by 10 alpha equals to 3 pi by 2. Now using the graph or otherwise in the calculator, you can identify the value of alpha by solving this equation. The alpha will be 0.219. There are many values of alpha possible, but since alpha is between pi by 2 and 0, this is the value we will be accepting for alpha. So this is your solution, and for more such questions and their detailed explanations, do visit our website iitnacademy.com and register for regular updates. Thank you.